Plaid Cymru will have 60 candidates standing in the forthcoming Carmarthenshire County Council election. And this means if we win 37 seats, we also will have the majority and will be in control of Carmarthenshire County Council. We are keen to do that. The reason for that is, of course, that we feel we need more democracy now in local government. We are not satisfied with the present situation where a cabinet made up of 10 independent and Labour councillors run the county authority here in Carmarthen. We want to change that. We want to carry the voice of the people to the council chamber. That's very much needed these days. We want to listen to the people. They will tell us what they need here in Carmarthenshire. And it is our aim to deliver that in the council chamber and within the administration. So let's have more democracy back in Carmarthenshire and into local government.